9 new chips featuring 10 to 24 cores, including the Core i9-13980HX, the world's fastest mobile processor until AMD says the same thing about one of theirs. But more exciting than that was the announcement that Intel's XeSS upscaling feature would work on integrated graphics, enabling up to a 30% performance boost. So, I guess it's okay that Intel quietly raised the listed prices of its 12th gen processors on its Arc Online database, meaning that the announced prices for the new 13th gen models are actually lower than their predecessors, meaning that Intel most likely planned to do things this way so the new chips don't look as bad. Were previous CES announcements this shady? I know it's Vegas.
Or someone lied us the box of 12 gen chips.
They just dropped it?
They just dropped them all.
And Dell didn't have a big keynote today, but they had to get on the hype by announcing what might be the world's first publicly available 500Hz IPS gaming monitor, depending on what Asus has to say about their previously announced but not launched 540Hz display. At CES, you gotta wait for your cue, or they'll use the big hook to take you off like in the olden times. Dell's subsidiary Alienware also announced a slew of laptops with upgraded internals and exterior design. The G series in particular, what would you say?
Outrun aesthetic?
No, you said it was cute.
Oh, okay, that too.
And there was also an update to Alienware's Concept Nix edge computing system announced 2 years ago, which involves everybody in a house gaming or computing with edge devices connected to a central PC. The new controller design has a fingerprint reader and other options for personalization, and they even threw in a Steam controller-style touchpad. It hasn't gained traction yet because people just don't understand it. It just needs to be given a chance. Like our sponsor for tech-linked CES coverage, Seasonic. Except I was being sarcastic when I said that about the controller, but I'm being serious now. Give Seasonic a chance, and they won't let you down. They've been making power supplies for like a million years, which is why when they work with Newegg to give you $10 off a Focus FM series power supply by using promo code LOVELMG, it's no joke! They also have these super cool new MagFlow fans with a fancy magnetic connection system that makes installation simple and clean. You're gonna hear this from me a lot this week, but I would die for Seasonic. That's not true. I would sustain an injury for them, though. Check them out at the link below. If I call this section Quick Biscuits, do you think LMG could hire someone to bring me mid-episode snacks?
I think you can use the South and the UK.
They both have biscuits. Acer announced some products that embrace the spirit of weird CES a bit more. There's a new Predator Helios laptop with a 250Hz mini LED screen, kind of unusual, it's cool. The Acer Halo Swing is a smart speaker into a single cabinet for $16,000. Now hold on, that's for the 120-inch version.
Oh.
So if you're still waiting on this month's pay, you can settle for the 100-inch model at $15,000. It's not, they understand where you're at.
My wallet.
I can't wait to see what other insane products force themselves into my consciousness this week. So come back tomorrow to see how I'm holding up mental health-wise.